Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to connect Blob storage to Lakehouse in Microsoft Fabric. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So we want to connect a Blob storage account to Lakehouse. This is our Blob storage. You need to have enabled hierarchical namespace. So we start with Microsoft Fabric. First we go to the Lakehouse. And then we go to get data and create new shortcut. We select the Data Lake Storage Gen 2. We press on new connection. We need to have URL. So we go to our storage account. And then we go to the configuration. Endpoints. Data Lake Storage. This one. We copy it. Then we go to Lakehouse. Paste the connection URL. Then press create new connection. You can use account key, shared access signature, service principal, workspace, and the easiest one is use to your account. Just select next. Then we need to select folders. These are folders. For example, if we go to storage browser in our storage account, blob containers, you can see that we have bronze, gold, Lakehouse, silver. So I uploaded the customer file CSV into our storage account, and we will query this file with Lakehouse using notebook. So for example, we select silver, is where located our file. We click next. And here we can change the name for our shortcut. For example, something like this. Then we press create. Now we have our shortcut. We open it, and it said that it unable to identify this object, but we don't care about that. So then we click on this option and select new notebook. I already created notebook, so I will show you. So for example, we have our shortcut in Lakehouse that is connected currently to the Blob storage. Let me refresh this one. Sorry, so this is incorrect Lakehouse. This is the one. Let me add new Lakehouse. No, we need to existing Lakehouse. No, and now we see our shortcut. Query this file. We just select this one and then just drag and drop. And it will create a cell with PySpark that is reading our file. So for example, we can read this file. As can you see, we connected our blob storage to the Lakehouse without any copy activity. We are reading this CSV file directly from the blob storage. Then we can create a temp view like this. Then we can create our table in Lakehouse. So it seems like we have a problem in our column name. Let me rename it quickly. So now we have our columns renamed. Let's recreate our temp view and create the table. So as you can see, we created our table in our lake house using the CSV file from the blob storage. And we never used copy activity or any pipelines for this. So this way is a lot easier, and you just connect the blob storage to Lakehouse, then you read your file that you need, and then you can create a table, and later your Lakehouse will have a table. The only problem that it doesn't show up here because I have two Lakehouses, and it seems like it created in this one because this is the default one. As you can see, using the blob storage, we created a shortcut in our Lakehouse. And using that shortcut, we created a table completely in different Lakehouse. So as you can see, you can combine shortcuts with different lake houses, and you can move data a lot easier this way. So if you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.